In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat My AI not responding. First, check your internet connection. My AI requires stable internet connection to work properly, so make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or stable mobile data. If your connection is slow, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next, you want to completely close the Snapchat app. After that, launch open Snapchat and check if that fixes your problem. If the issue continues, open the Snapchat app. Tap on the profile icon. Now tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Here, scroll down and find the option of Data Saver. Select that. Make sure that Data Saver is turned off. Then scroll further and get to the option of Clear My AI Data. Select that. Now tap on Confirm. After this, you want to launch open Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the search bar and here search for Snapchat. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After the application has been updated, launch it open and check if your problem is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.